Okay, so I get questions all the time, and I don't mind. Like questions all the time. Like I get DM, like, "What do you think of this? What do you think of that?" Which is perfectly okay. But most of my answers are, I either don't know or don't believe in it. Because most of the time, it's not based around what do you think about this difficult workout, or what do you think about this meal plan. It's mostly about what do you think about this quick fix, or what do you think about this simple method to fill in the blank, lose weight, body, burn body fat, whatever it is. And here's what my mindset is like, I haven't come across anything that works like that. So of course I don't recommend it. And I feel like if someone did, like if there's one magic pill, first of all, everyone would know about it. And second of all, everyone would be doing it because everyone wants to see those instant results. And since everyone hasn't heard something about something mainstream like this, and there isn't one company that's $1 billion company, that's the pharmaceuticals. That's a different story. It probably isn't there.